Hi Preps, in today's maths we are learning about sharing. And we had a little talk about this in our live lesson and we're finding out about Dan the dragon and his gems. So let's have a look here and see, follow the story. I'm going to start again in case you've missed the story. Hi, my name is Dan and I am a dragon. Mummy Dragon has helped me to collect some gems to share with my friends. Can you help me share the gems fairly with my friends? I need to share the gems fairly so that each dragon has the same number. Here is Dan. There he is. And look at all of his gems. They look amazing, don't they? Click on the gems. There we go. Let's find out how many gems Dan has. We will count them together. All right, let's go. Look at all of these gems. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 gems, don't we? There we go. We got that right. Dan has 12 gems. Okay, Dan's friend Dom would like some gems too. Well, here we go. There's Dan and his friend Dom. Now we've got 12 gems, so let's see if we can share them. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Dom has 1, 2, 3. Is that fair? Is that quantities shared? Is that equal? I don't think so. The gems are not shared fairly, are they? The dragons have different numbers of gems. Poor Dom. I think I'd be a bit sad if I only had 3. There we go. Now let's see if we can help to share the gems fairly between the two dragons. All right, let's give it a go. 1, 2. There we go. Let's get them all up. X. Oh, that looks even, doesn't it? But let's count to double check. So Dan has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And Dom has, remember our number was 12. Let's see if he's got the same amount, which is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right, they are equal, aren't they? And some of you might know already that half of 12 was 6, and you may have worked that out really quickly. But I like the way they gave 1 to each of them first. So 1 to Dan, 1 to Dom, 1 to Dan, 1 to Dom. That way they made sure that they were shared equally. Here we go, 6 gems. We got it right. Well done. Now Dan's friend Dora would also like to share the gems. Well, this is a bit tricky now. Now we've got 3 dragons and we need to share them equally. Let's have a go now. Make sure that no one misses out. Let's have a look. Oh, does that look equal? Don't think so. Oh, poor Dora down here only has 2. There we go. Dom's got 1, 2, 3, 4. And Dan has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is not equally shared amongst the 3 friends, is it? What could we do? I want you to have a work it out and see if you can have a guess to work out how we would divide them up, how we would share them equally amongst the friends. You can hit pause if you like and see if you can work it out. There we go. Let's see if you got it right. There we go. So we've got 12 gems, but we need to share between 3. Let's see if you worked it out. 1, 2, 1 each, there we go. 2 each, 3 each, 4 each. That's right. And look, I'm even going to have a look here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We know that we can share 12 gems equally between the 3 friends, and they get 4 gems each. That's right. Oh, now Mummy Dragon's come along and she wants some gems. Let's see how many they get. We start off with 1 each, 2 each, 3 each. Oh, so far so good. There we go. 3 each. There we go. And I might even try a little bit of something a bit challenging. I might do some skip counting by 3s. This is something we can learn later on. 3, 6, 9, 12. There we go. So if we have 4 friends, we know that 12 gems can be shared equally amongst the 4 friends, and they get 3 each. That's right. Thanks for helping share the gems for the dragons, Preps. Have a go today with your activity with your fruit. So you might like to cut up some different pieces of fruit and get out some plates and see if you can share the fruit out equally on the plates. You might like to challenge yourself and cut up more than 12 pieces of fruit and then see how many you can share. You might like to write down your answers or take some photos or maybe record yourself. See how you go with sharing. We look forward to seeing it on Seesaw. Thanks, Preps.